In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We'll walk through the full setup from start to finish so you can get up and running smoothly even if this is your first time trying it. Begin by heading to the Moltbot or Clawdbot page in your browser. Take a moment to scroll down until you see a section labeled Quick Start. This is where you'll find a ready-made command that handles the installation for you. Highlight that code snippet and copy it to your clipboard. It's typically a single line designed to fetch everything you need, so copying it exactly as shown is important. Next, open your terminal. On Mac OS and Linux, that's the terminal app. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. With your terminal window in front of you, paste the code you copied and press enter. As soon as you do, the installer will begin downloading and installing the required components on your computer automatically. Keep your internet connection stable and avoid closing the terminal while it runs. This part may take a little while, so be patient. You'll see progress messages as it sets up dependencies and configures things behind the scenes. If the terminal appears paused, give it another minute or two, it's still working. When the installation finishes and the setup prompts appear, click yes on the message that says I understand. This simply confirms you're ready to proceed. You'll then be guided through a few choices. Start by selecting Quick Start. Choosing Quick Start applies sensible defaults so you can get moving without digging into advanced settings. After that, choose Reset. This ensures you're starting from a clean configuration, which helps prevent conflicts from any previous attempts. When prompted to pick a provider, choose OpenAI. Next, select the option for the OpenAI API key. You'll be asked to type your key. Enter it carefully and keep it private. Never share it publicly or on screen. If you paste it, double check there are no extra spaces before or after. Once your key is accepted, you'll be asked to choose a model. Pick the model that fits your needs. Larger models are often more capable, but may be slower or cost more to use. Finally, choose a channel. Think of a channel as the place where you'll interact with the bot, such as a console session or another connected interface. Select the one that matches how you plan to use it, and you're all set. That's the full setup. If everything ran without errors, you're ready to start experimenting